Okay. Let me confirm. Oh, beautiful. We're live now. So let's just do a little introduction. Let's just put up this introduction information video. Let's get people
This
joining.
is a Freedom Trade House production. This frequency of a 528 hertz brings transformation, an increased amount of love energy, clarity of mind, awareness, activated creativity, and inner peace. Trading affirmations. I live an abundant life. I attract money. I deserve to be rich. I have more wins than losses. I trade with confidence and clarity. I am grateful. I am consistently in profit. Forex is fun. I trust myself. I trust my analysis. I enjoy my life outside of trading.
Yes.
I am
I'm
happy.
super excited about it. Right. What's going on, superstars? We are live now on YouTube. And today we actually caught some beautiful setup trading volatility indices. And for those of you who are on the live stream with me, please comment where you are joining from, and also let me know if you all can hear me loud and clear. As you guys can see on our Telegram channel today, we just banked over 245 pips to 300 pips trading volatility indices. All right, we banked that trading volatility 75. Take a look at this, and you all can actually see the results, right? You can see the outcome of those who took the trade setup. This is live. The time right now is 5 p.m., 2 minutes past 5 p.m. And you all can see this was by 4:34 p.m. You know, that's when we started sharing this. And you guys can see when our take profit got smashed, the take profit one, which is by 4:31 p.m. Nigerian time. That is WAT, West African time. So for those of you on Instagram, click the link on my bio. You're going to see the link at the top to join the live stream, right? You're going to see the link to join the live stream. And if you can join on YouTube, or perhaps you don't want to join on YouTube, you guys can just watch the chat from this point. All right, you can all watch the chat from here. I'm just going to keep it this way so that you all can still be part of today's class. All right, so I think these guys got it. All right, these guys got it. So guys, let's do business today. What's going on? Where are you joining from? So I like that. Please keep putting it in the comments where you guys are joining this live stream from. I'm going to go over it shortly. So we took a a buy on volatility 75 from our Telegram channel. You see, I posted it on the free community. By the way, guys, this wasn't the first signal. The first setup was took by, we took the first setup around, let me show you, around 2:47 p.m. We took the first setup and it didn't go our way, but we reached only 150 pips and we gave it a range. So some people reached like 50 pips on the trade setup. That is those who executed from the lower limit of the entry zone. You can see the blue zone we have here. That was the zone we entered. And the space from the lower limit of the blue zone to the stop loss is just 50 pips. So some people reached that, and at the end, it smashed our stop loss, and I told everybody, relax. This is part of the game. We're going to come back in again, and we're going to make profit. Then what happened next? I saw the next opportunity right after that on the 15 minutes time frame, and I told everybody to re-enter the setup. I gave a new entry. I gave all the details, and we held this trade setup. I even gave a poll to see how people understand, how well people understand trading. And I'm going to analyze this particular poll. I'm going to analyze this risk system to you guys so that we'll know how we come about the right answer, which is 20%. And eventually our take profit one got smashed. Take a look at it. Take profit one got smashed by 4:31 p.m. and you can see the result. I told everybody, send your results. This is real. Send your results. What we're doing in Freedom Trade House is real. You can see the live chat, everybody commenting. If you made profit with us today, put it on the comments, guys. If you made profit with us, let's see it on the comments. Put it on the comments, right? Let's see ATWUU. If you made profit with us today, let's see it all the way up. So you all can see the setup ran through. You can see profit from a lot of users. You can see James. You can see Ingrid. You can see 𝗂𝗶𝗿𝗂𝗰𝗁, and you all can see a lot of them. John, a lot of guys. I've not met all of these guys physically, you see. And now we're live on YouTube. So I want to use this medium to say a huge welcome to every one of you joining us on this live stream today, the 9th day of May 2024. I'm super excited about what is going on in our trading community. I'm excited that people actually making profit with us. That is the most important thing. I'm excited when I come in here, I take my trade setups and I also share the same ideas with you guys, and a lot of you make profits. You can see it on the comments. How many of you made profits? If you made profits, please let us know. Let us know on the comments, right? You see a lot of people, some persons are still holding their trade setup, and that is what we're doing here, guys. We're really, breaking the bank, trading Forex and synthetic indices. So guys, my name is 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗏, and right here just to help simplify the process of trading to beginners and also advanced traders. That is what we do in Freedom Trade House. Trading shouldn't be difficult, it should be easy. So we just need to learn how to approach trading from the easiest perspective, or from the easiest, the right word there is perspective. Okay, I just had to come up live really fast, so that we can do this. I didn't prepare to come up live today. Okay, I want to teach you guys something from the setup today. So guys, trading is easy. Let's see those who are joining us on the live stream. For those of you on Instagram, comment your name and where you're joining from. Let's just go through really quick. We can see South Africa represented by Big Flow. I can also see from 𝗥𝗲𝗰, Edo State, Nigeria. We can see Wisdom from Minna, Nigeria. We'll also have from Kenya, Kennedy, joining the live stream. We also have Philemon from Kwara State, Nigeria. Jamaica, well represented by Kiwi. Big up to you. And we'll also see Abdul from Qatar. Good to have you here. Let's see others that are joining the live stream. Where are you guys joining from? We good. All right, I'm going to keep this as fast as possible. Let's look at the charts now. You guys can see this is the same chart, and this is the same setup that I shared. This is where we had profit rally to the top side. However, the first signal that we took for a buy on volatility 75, it started off around here. This was the zone. You can see this was the zone where we took the first signal, price accumulated, and finally it dropped and our stop loss got hit, right? It accumulated. Just go closer a bit so you can see me on the camera. So it accumulated and finally dropped, hit our stop loss. And after it hit our stop loss, just after that, we saw a candlestick pattern that shows reversal. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame, so you're going to see very clearly how we actually got this trade set up. Now, the reason why I document my trades on YouTube, some of you think it is just for you. No, it's not just for you. It's also for me. I come back here when I'm doing my research and when I'm doing my personal studies and all of that. I come back to my YouTube channel and I start going over the same videos that I have recorded, analyzing the same setups that I've taken before. It helps me to have a solid grip of my approach towards trading. And I also want to use this medium to encourage you guys. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. The videos are free here on our YouTube channel. This is Freedom Trade House YouTube live channel. So if you're just joining this channel for the first time, please subscribe. This channel is different from the Freedom Trade House you subscribed to before. As you all can see, this is Freedom Trade House live. Let me just type that on Google so you guys can see. This is Freedom Trade House Live, youtube.com/Freedom Trade House Live. This is our live stream channel. So this is where you're going to be seeing Sam Keys having a lot of live streams happening on YouTube. Okay, please subscribe. This channel currently has 648 subscribers compared to our other channel where we have over 47,000 subscribers. If you're new here, please subscribe, support the channel, and let's take it all the way up to reach out to more people and help more people see the light when it comes to trading. For those of you on Instagram, head on to the link on my bio, click it. You're going to see a link that is going to take you straight up to the YouTube live stream right now. Okay, guys, let's go over to what we got to do today. Now, I'm just going to show you guys a few things, and you guys can take advantage of it. We're going to start making a lot of profits on your own as well, besides the help that all right, I want you all to be able to do that. Okay, I want you all to be able to make profits on your own. If you all can hear me loud and clear, let's see some 777 on the comments. If you can all hear me loud and clear, let's see 777 on the comments. Before I get on with the live analysis and the breakdown of the chart, for you all to see what we're doing, I would like to go over a system really quick. Let me come up here and just make a few adjustments. Let me come up. Okay, beautiful. You guys can hear me. I appreciate that. So let's see. Now, so the chart is currently the price is currently retracing. And let me show you guys from this particular quiz that I gave you guys on Telegram. By the way, make sure you join our Telegram channel, everybody, if you want to stay updated with the free signals. t.me/Freedom Trade House. Don't search for Freedom Trade House on Telegram. There's a lot of scammer pages and clones that are not real. You don't want to do that. Just click the link on the description of this video, or go to Sam Keys' page, click the link on his bio. You're going to get the link, or simply type this on your browser, t.me/Freedom Trade House, and you're going to get access to that. Let me show you guys that on the screen. You can see that clearly written on the screen right now. No suffix or prefix. It takes you straight up to our Telegram channel. Now let's look at this poll. I asked the question, if you risk 200 pips, so let's do a quick analysis of it. If you risk 200 pips on volatility 75 and your balance is $500, how much or how many percent of your account would you be risking if you executed one position with 0.05 lot size only? So let's do a quick analysis of that. I want everybody to learn, because trading is not just all about the profit and all that. No. Sometimes you're going to be taking some risk. Sometimes you're going to lose a trade setup, even though you got the directional bias right. Just like the one we had right now, we got the bias very right, but price took some time out, right? Price actually hit the stop loss before turning around on the 15 minutes time frame into our direction. So in such cases, you don't want to blow up your account. You don't want to lose all of the money that you got. And at the end of the day, when you have the ripe opportunity, the opportunity that you've been waiting for, you're not going to have money to trade it. You don't want to do that. For you to be able to achieve such kind of result, or for you to have another opportunity to trade, when it comes to managing your money, you need to know how to manage your risk, and that's what I want to show you. So from the questions that I asked on the Telegram channel, we said the balance on the account is $500. All right, is $500. So somebody tell me on the comments, what is? Okay, we have $500. Okay, let's just break it down, and we say that you risk pip risk is 200 pips, right? And we said the lot size that you use to trade is 0.005, sorry, 0.5. That represents 50 cents per pip. Now the question says, how many percent of the $500 account how many percent of the $500 account would you be risking if you use this lot size? So let's solve this mathematics. The first thing we need to do is to figure out the profit or loss. So using the profit and loss formula, which is $10 times the PEEP, right? I want you all to get this. $10 times PEEP times the lot size. All right, so this gives us $10 times the number of pips risk is 200 pips, and the lot size is 0.05. So this takes us further to give us the final answer. So somebody type, what is the answer to this? Now take a look at this. Someone will be asking, Sam, why do we have this $10 here? Now remember that the lot size represents times 10 in the value of dollars, right? This 0.05 represents 50 cents per pip, which is equivalent to $0.05, right? Equivalent to equivalent to $0.5. And that is why we have the dollar symbol there. Just take this formula. Later on, you can ask question how I derived it. Okay, so what is the answer? Somebody put on the comments. Multiply this 200 times 10 divided by, times 0.05. So this should be about 10 times 2. Let's say it, guys. Let's say it. Let's have it. So the person executed with this. So we have 0. So that should be giving us how much? No, do the calculation. 10 times 200 is 2,000. 2,000 times 0.05. What would that give us? For those of you on Instagram, what is the answer of this? I think this should be 100, right? It should be 100. Let's get it straight. So 2,000 divided by that is 20 times 5. That should be 100. So we have $100. Please confirm this, guys. Those of you following, confirm that this is $100. $100 is right. Okay, I can see Wisdom says $100. Emmanuel $100. Okay. For somebody saying the YouTube quality is actually blurry, you need to change the quality of your YouTube stream on your phone. Change it to perhaps a higher quality. You will see the settings there. You will see 720 pixel. Put it up, take it up, okay, so you can get a better quality. All right, so we have it $100. So this simply means that this particular trader who executed with 0.05 lot size and risked 20 pips on a $500 account has actually risked $100. The trader has actually risked $100 in that trade setup. So now the question becomes, what is $100, or how many percent is $100 to $500? How many percent is it? So somebody asked me, how many percent is it? $100 is 20% of $500. So let's do it. How do we achieve it as 20%? How do we achieve it as 20%? So we're looking for something. What we're looking for arithmetically is, let's say 20%. So we're looking for the percentage. So we already have $100. So the question is, let's go back to school where they do X and Y and all of that. So we are looking for X percent of $500 equals $100. That is the question. This is what we just simply said. This says that X percent, we don't know how many percent of it. X percent of $500 is equal to what? $100. That is what we have discovered right now. It says that the percentage of $500 gave us $100. The question is, what is X? And that is it. So we're just going to do a cross multiplication. So X percent times $500. All right, let's just put the dollar sign, equals, because of, when you use of in mathematics, it means multiplication, equals 100. So what we're going to do next is we're just going to divide through by 500. So we're going to be having something like this. We're going to have X percent equals $100 divided by 500. That is what we're going to be having. So somebody give me the mathematical What's the answer? 100 divided by 500. It simply, here we have X% equals 0.02 or 0.2. Somebody confirm that for me. 100 divided by 100 divided by 500. What does that give you? You guys put it on your calculator or something. All right, I need help here. 0.2. I'm actually getting all of this without a calculator. Am I not a science student? All right, that's beautiful. So we have 100 divided by 500 is 0.2. All right, guys, take a look. We're making progress. So that is 0.2. So take a look. We say that X% equals what? X% equals 0.2. So take a look at this. Remember, whenever they say something is a percent, X%, it simply means this. If you want to bring that percentage in value, it means X times, let me use a capital letter X times 1 over 100. That is what it means, because that percent simply means 1 over 100. That is what it means, equals 0.2. So what we need to do is just multiply both sides by 100 to get the value, and that gives us X equals 0.2. I'm just giving you guys simple arithmetics, that is simple arithmetics, times 100. All right, times 100%. 1 over 100%. That's what we have here. All right, 1 over 100%. Okay, let's put a percent here. And that gives us, so if you do the product of that, it's going to give you X equals 20%. So this is simple, all right? For those of you who are on this live stream, you don't need to get a pen and a paper and start doing this mathematics anytime you trade. You can easily just ask Google. Somebody put on the comment, ask Google. Somebody say, ask Google. Google is here. We have ChatGPT. We have a lot of AI systems that can help us achieve this really fast. Put on the comment, ask Google. Some of you use Google for the wrong things. This is one of the things that you want to use Google right for. Ask Google. Okay, so what we're trying to figure out is how many percent is $100 to 500. Let's look at this. How many percent is 100 to 500? That is 20%. Boom, as easy as that. 20%. But I just showed you guys how it is achieved. So that tells us that education is not a scam anyways. Okay, so everything adds up. So we've just got it that it is 20% risk, and that solves the answer to this question. That's why we have 29% of people who took the quiz got it right. That is 40 people got it right, which is 20%. Okay, guys, let's go over to the work for today. Let's see what we have. By the way, if you're just joining the channel, please subscribe so that you can get notified whenever we have a new live stream. And let's take this channel up to 2,000 followers, or let's hit the first 1,000 followers this month. Then we'll take it up to the next. We just keep progressing. All right, let's dive into what we got on the chart. So take a look at this, guys. This is volatility 75 index. Price had dropped from the top to this particular level. Remember, I taught you guys some kind of algorithm that you need to follow when you're doing your analysis in trading. It came into this particular zone. We had a reaction. Price hit our stop loss because we're trying to take it from here. But price went further into this particular level and it bounced off immediately. And you'll remember very well when I taught you on the live stream we had last time, that is the previous live stream. If you guys can hear me loud and clear, put some 555 on the comment. I want to confirm that everybody is following. If you can hear me loud and clear, let's see some 555 on the comment. On the previous live stream, I talked about value area. I shared that with you guys for free, and I was able to identify a value area here. And this same value area that we have here, prices reacted to it before from this particular point, and it rallied to the top side. The next time it came and it tried to create some pattern there. Let's look further. It created some pattern here. that showed reversal. And that reversal system gave us some demand zones. It gave us some demand zone on the 30 minutes time frame. Take a look at it. Remember I said demand and supply is the difference between two adjacent levels of rejection. So that simply means from this week here, the low of this particular candlestick, and this one, if we connect both of them together, we're going to have a zone of demand showing that price has been rejected from here aggressively before. Now, when price dipped and came and touched that zone, immediately we had an aggressive pump to the top. And that is what brought about another buy opportunity on this market. So we saw the buy opportunity and price did something else. If you take a look at this structure on the 5-minute time frame, you can see I am going accordingly from a top down level. We started off from the 30 minutes time frame to identify the demand zone. We checked the 15 minutes time frame to actually look closer into that zone. And now on the 5-minute time frame, we can see very clearly that price broke the structure that it created around here. So I can just get a parallel channel 2. All right, I can get a parallel channel to connect from here and down to this particular point and establish a channel. So we can bring this down as well. Price rallied back up, right? It rallied back. I think this doesn't connect the bottoms. I think it gave us more like a wedge. So we're going to connect from here to here. Then we're going to get the trend line to connect from here to here. So we had something very aggressive, an aggressive pump to the top. And I was like, okay, you know what? I'm not going to rush in. I can see some form of rejection candles here. This is some form of a engulfing candlestick or tweezers on 15 minutes time frame. Here on 5 minutes looks somewhat like an engulfing. So price broke the high of this zone. So it clearly showed us that this candlestick pattern has been broken. It has been altered. So it has created higher high, giving us a structure for break. Is this a break of structure, a change of character? We'll have a change of character here because we have a higher high compared to this, which takes us from the structure of a downtrend to a formation for uptrend. So as soon as it created the change of character, I knew something was going to happen. This is where we had the change of character here. I knew something was going to happen, that it was going to come down and create a higher low. And price came down into the same zone again and confirmed something for me. You can see this kind of candlestick rejection patterns. So it confirmed that particular zone to be a strong buy level, and it established a higher low, which was perfect for me to know that yes, price is going to go up. So following this order of an uptrend market, we had a higher low. So everybody, hold your positions, put your stop loss well enough below that zone, because I didn't want anybody to get haunted and price starts coming back, you know, to their direction. No, just hold it up very clearly. And we held up and price came to our take profit. Now, another thing you guys got to take note of is when you're trading, you need to know where to take profit. The take profit zones are areas of previous price reversal. So we had our first take profit here because price had dumped to this point, created support, tested it again, and rallied to the top side. That is why we said, hey, we're going to take our first profit here because it was a previous price reversal zone. Now we took first profit, price rallied beyond that and started dumping to this point. And if price is going to continue in an uptrend, I guarantee you this, price is going to create a higher low to maintain the structure of an uptrend. It's not going to go below this particular low that we have here. It ain't going to go below it. Whatever takes price down below here is going to take it downwards, right? It's going to take it downwards and probably hit the stop loss. But we are currently at break even, and that is fine. That is very fine. So this is just a quick thing for you to have a strong hold over the charts and over your trading. These are important topics that you all need to learn. Number one, you need to understand how to run a top-down analysis. Everybody put on the comments, top-down analysis. Top-down analysis. Number two, you need to know how to identify market structure and also identify when there is a change in the structure of the market. That is a change of market structure. This is number two, market structure, right? Market structure. That is the thing. Number one, we have to look at top-down analysis. Number 2, you need to understand market structure. Number 3, you need to do something else. You need to understand supply demand areas, support or resistance. Let's use support and resistance. You need to understand support and resistance zones in the market. And finally, number 4, you need to know when you should enter and exit. Your entry and exit. You need to have a strategy for entry and exit. This is what's going to help guarantee more success in your trading journey. So this is Volatility 75 index. We can also quickly take a look at gold. I'm going to open up the chart for gold now so we can see what is really going on gold today. Gold has been giving us gold has been given. It has been given for those on the bull position, right? Gold has been buying. It has really been giving us some profit on the buys. Today we caught over 100 pips trading XAUUSD in our trading community, and I want to use this to give you guys this offer. We have about 9 slots left. Somebody took advantage of it, even when we're taking Volatility 75 index. So for you to join our Forex Club, right, we have what we call the Forex Club, where we take setups on Telegram. All you need to do is just sign up with our partner link on Exness. Then you fund your account with over $100. I tell people, hey, you got to fund with over $100. Some are saying less than that. I said, how much do you want to make from trading? You want to be wasting all the kind of quality signals that we actually take? No, don't do that. Right? Don't do that. So you fund with over $100. We have people who have over $5,000 in their live accounts trading with us in the Forex Club. And I tell you, with a setup that gave us 100 pips, let's say the person actually traded with $1 per pip, that is $100 profit. If he traded with $10 per pip, that is $1,000, which is exactly 20% profit on his $5,000 account. So if you have funds and you are scared, or you need proper guidance to trade your funds on your live trading account, and you want to really belong to a community where it is working. I've been sending signals, I've been sharing the signals with you guys, and you guys have been seeing it. All you need to do is sign up with our Exness partner link, and after you do that, you send our team a message. I've given the instruction on Telegram. Let me show you guys that on Telegram. I've given the instruction on Telegram how you can join the Forex Club for free. Take a look on our Telegram channel. You see the signal we took. This is what we took a buy on gold. This is it. This was the setup. If you take a look at the chart, you will see exactly where we took the setup from. It was from here. We had the setup before this spike to the downside. We had it. Price rallied and gave us quite enough, some pips and profit just before the news by 1:30 p.m. Nigeria time. So you guys can just go on to Telegram. You're going to get all the instructions there. Sign up, send our team a message at FT Events, and we're going to plug it in. It's just going to help you so that you can maximize the profits that you make from trading gold. Also, you stand to join our live trading classes on Zoom, because we have live trading, because we also want to teach you to know how to do it yourself. All of this, you get that just by funding your account and trading with us in the community. So let's go over, besides this promo, there are fees attached to that. So you can take advantage of the promo right now. So gold did something beautiful, right? Remember, in trading, for you to have the best result, all you need to do is see it. Everybody put on a comment, see it. See it. I want to see everybody doing this. See it. Put on a comment. See it. See it. If you want to be a successful trader, all you need to do is train your eyes to see. If you can see it, you can have it. There is no two ways about it. Put on the comments. If you can see it, you can have it. Let's see it rolling. If you can see it, you can have it. If you can see it, you can have it. So what you want to do is constantly, continuously, continually train your eyes to see the market, to see those trading opportunities, to see when to buy and when to sell. That is what you want to do. You want to continuously train. And the way you can actually train and train efficiently is watching other traders trade. Watch other successful traders trade. You need a role model. Anything you want to achieve in life, you need a role model. Role models are very essential for individual success. You need to find somebody who has achieved that thing that you want. You need to find somebody who has achieved that thing that you want to achieve. And then you emulate what they do. If you want to be a successful trader, find a successful trader. Find somebody who knows what he's doing. Find somebody who you resonate with. Find somebody that you understand better when you listen to that person, and follow his track, follow his footstep, replicate what he does. That way you're going to start seeing it from a professional perspective, and with time you're going to learn how to do it on your own. There's absolutely no two ways about it, guys. This is how it works. If it doesn't work that way, I will tell you so. Okay, so for you to actually max up on your trading to become better, you want to ensure that you are joining our live streams. You want to ensure that you are watching the live streams. You show up, you watch tutorial videos, so that you can see the charts very clearly. Because if you can see it, you can have it. If you can see it, you can have it. And that's the thing. All right, somebody's asking on the comments, what about those who already have Exness accounts already? If you have an Exness account already, I give an instruction on that for those who have Exness account. You can see if you already have an existing Exness account, sign up with a different email. Either you sign up with a different email, you create a new account, or you send Exness a message and you tell them, hey, you want to change partners. And when you do that, they're going to ask you for the partner link, which is this. You copy this and share it to them. Within 48 hours or 24 hours, they're going to change it and you're all good. You send us a notice and you'll be in. So that is what you can do if you already have an Exness account. And that is how it goes, guys. So let's dive in. Guys, I'm excited. Let's go. Shaya. If you guys are excited about what we're doing today, let's see some Shaya on the comments, guys. If you're excited, let's see some Shaya on the comments. Let's see some Shaya and some fire emojis, guys. Let's see some fire emojis. If you're excited about what you're learning today, let's see some fire emojis on the comment. Okay, this session's really been beautiful. 37 minutes running, and it's been very informative. So do we have some opportunities on volatility 75 again, or do we have some opportunities on gold? You can see volatility 75 is strictly reacting to the zones that I've actually showed. It's just reacting to it. I told you guys that we're going to have things like this happening. Do we have some opportunities again? Sure, we do have opportunities on volatility 75 again, but that is going to show up when we have the breakout of this channel that has brought price down. Stephanie, as easy as it is, that is what you got to do. All right, so we're just going to wait for that. Let's go to gold. Gold, XAU. Some people call Sam Keys is a gold digger. Hey, I'm not a gold digger, huh? I just know how to trade gold. And that's what we're doing. We're milking the market and we're helping a lot of people. That is the most important thing. We're making impact. And that is it. So gold today, let's quickly take a look at Forex Factory. Always remember this, guys. Those of you who are trading with us, if you're trading Forex, make sure that you study Forex Factory or Investopedia or any other platforms where you can see fundamentals to know when there's going to be news in the Forex market. You need to know when there will be news, all right? So that you will not be caught unawares, and you also learn how to leverage on it. So the first thing you want to do, those of you who want to trade Forex and all that, make Forex Factory your go-to tool, all right? It should be your go-to tool. So you go to Forex Factory and then you analyze to see if there's a news around the current time that you are. This is in my own time zone. So there is no news. There's no high impact news until 6:01 p.m. today. All right. We're going to be having high impact news. Let me zoom in so you all can see it very clearly. Okay. We're going to be having high impact news on gold. No, on on USD, I beg your pardon. We're going to be having high impact news on USD by 6:01 p.m. And there was some high impact news on the market by 1:30 p.m. Just before now. That has already taken place. So when you're trading these instruments like gold, GBP, USD, and so on, make sure you check to see if there's going to be a news, because it's news that make price to move like this, down and then up in an aggressive manner. So we have price here. If you want to follow the trading algorithm that I taught you all to follow whenever you're trading your market, want to look very closely if we have a zone the price is reacting to up here. So logically, the price has actually created a level right here. It has created some highs that have shown us rejection. So we want to pay attention to this area to see if price is going to give us some moves to the downside. Now, if you guys take note, you see that all the setups that I've been giving you here, or all the breakdown I have been breaking down to you guys, you ain't going to see any indicators. Those are just strictly without indicators. I'm showing you with price action. So do we have an opportunity on gold around here? We can see the reaction of price, rally to here, try to create double top, came down, broke the lows slightly, and now trying to see if it's going to create a lower low. So do we have something from the trend lines? We can see connecting these trend lines, price got to this point of reaction. I think there is something on gold. Let's look at the 3 minutes time frame to see if we have something here. So I'm going to be sharing this. Okay, it's not yet due, but this is what you should look out for, guys. Look out for this. If we have this pattern, looks so much like a bearish flag. So if we have a reaction from here, right, if we have a breakout of this flag pattern, you can see this is looking so much like a channel. So if we have a breakout of this channel, then we're going to potentially be looking for a take profit. All right, let's quickly go for a break. All right, guys, we all welcome back. So let me activate this again. Let me just put this for those streaming from Instagram. So on gold, just like I said, let's see some 555 on the comments if you guys can hear me. Let's see some 555 for XAUUSD. Potentially going to be having a risk of 25 pips, potential take profit of 50 pips if we have a breakout of this flag pattern, and we could be taking it to the downside looking at it. But if the breakout is not successful, then we're going to be waiting for reaction inside of the zone again. So that is what I actually see on gold. So if you guys really learning a lot from this session tonight, for real-time signals, okay guys, for real-time signals, make sure you are on our Telegram channel. Make sure you're in the Telegram channel. Take a look at this. This is the Telegram. We have the link is t.me/Freedom Trade House. Where is it? This is it. t.me/Freedom Trade House. Join the Telegram channel. I share updates in there every day. All right, you guys are going to be making money if you're trading with us inside of the channel. To the best of my knowledge, we've really been making money there, and you guys can see the proofs. Those who take our trade setups, they make profit with us, and it's all blues. Okay, I'm not saying they ain't going to be reds. They will, but the reds are very little compared to the blues. So take a look. XAUUSD is actually going as predicted, right? The market is going, it has broken that pattern. This is live trading, XAUUSD. It is going down, and we're looking for a take profit here. The take profit point is 2328.8. 2328.8. You guys saw it live where I was doing the analysis, so it's not something like what's going on here, right? I did a thorough analysis on that. Let's see volatility. Boom! I told you all, volatility 705. Thank you for bringing it to my notice. Volatility 705 is on the move. Let's go. ATWU, baby. Let's go all the way up. Come on. Can you guys see that move? I told you, for those of you who want to re-enter, fine. But those of you who are holding from the bottom, because we had our break even from inside of the zone, you can see price didn't even get there at all. Right? You're doing well. You're doing well for yourself. So the market's still on. The setup's still on. I told you all we're going to be looking for a potential take profit up here at 1994.00 and also up here at 2039.00. So all of this is really going to be happening. Too much information for you guys today. Too much. So much information for you guys today. Now, make sure that you are following us. Make sure you're on the Telegram channel. I've spent a lot of time here. This is exactly 45 minutes. Okay, time up, time up. Let me just cut you guys off. Time up. It is exactly 45 minutes, exact time that I said I'm going to be spending on this live stream. I don't want to continue. We're going to do another live stream later on. If you guys got a lot of value, if you learned a lot from this live stream, let's see 5554, let's see ATWU, let's see some fire emojis, let's see a lot of things there. If you learned a lot from this live stream, right, from the beginning I started talking about money management, let's see some fire emojis, let's see some 555. If you're excited about this live stream and you want to be joining live stream and you want more of this live streams, let's see it on the comments. Let's see some 555, the high fives, right, the high fives and all of that, so that we can keep doing this. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Also share with your friends. Share with your friends. Tell them, hey, go subscribe to that channel. He comes up live. Whenever he does, you're going to learn a lot. You could be trading live with him and all of that. Go share Freedom Trade House Live. Freedom Trade House Live. And there's something good about this. This particular live stream is being recorded. So after this session, I'm going to edit the recording and post it again on the live stream page. And you're going to be learning a whole lot from the information that we have here in Freedom Trade House. Here, I want to say thank you. Somebody said we need more content on the YouTube page. Yes, I'm going to be bringing in more content. In fact, I'm going to be teaching more on the Freedom Trade House channels. I'm going to put in back-to-back information, quality information. All right, that's really going to help you guys level up in your trading. It can only get better. If it doesn't get better, then you are not on the right track. But if you're on the right track and you're with us here, you're definitely going to get better so long you're following very closely. Remember, success comes to those who do successful habits repeatedly, right? That is how it works. And also take note, there's nothing like overnight success. Overnight success seems to appear after you've put in the work for a very long time. And with that, I want to recommend, take a look, guys. With that, I want to recommend that you all read this book that we're reading this month. Today is the 9th day of May. It's just starting off. You still have some time to go on. Read this book. I've shared the ebook in our Telegram channel. The ebook is on our Telegram channel. Go and read. Start reading. You can take 10 pages a day and you're going to finish this book in 1 month. If you read 10 pages a day, you're definitely going to finish this within 25 days. Okay, don't stress it. Don't try to read the whole book. You have the whole month to read it. It's going to help you to develop the right habits towards your money, develop the right habits towards your trading, towards your life, towards you. But you're really going to know what is not going right in your life. It's going to help you. Everything's about habits. Okay, I'm rooting for you guys. I want to see you guys go all the way up. I want to see you become successful as what you do. Remember, nothing can stop you. You are all the way up. And the only thing that can stop you from going all the way up is you when you decide not to take action. Thank you guys for being live with me today. My name is Sam Keys, and I'm always here to help. See you on my next live stream. All the way up, superstars. Bye for now.